What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something fun. Today, as you can see, I have the E46 up on jack stands and we are going to be installing, wait for it, the Rocket Bunny Pandem wide body kit for the E46. So it's up on jack stands. It is up on jack stands and it is ready to go. There is the kit. There's that. So let me show you guys else. We have our hardware here. We went with gunmetal. Gunmetal, this is from Z-Spec. It's a 60-piece kit. It was on sale for Black Friday, so we did this. I have my energy drink. I've got all the stuff laid out. Other thing, before I get into the surprise, look what we got in. Let me open this up. Let me see if I can do this one-handed, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Okay, here we go, here we go. So this is, as you can see from the packaging, let me flip it around. This is, our 6-piston front Brembo brakes, powder coated yellow for the E46. Let me see if I can get the rotor out. Oh baby. Oh baby. So yeah, those are here. We got the fronts. We will be getting the rears soon. These were just really easily to get, so we just went ahead and ordered them and got them in. Obviously I messed the box up, but that is not even the most exciting thing for today. So yes, we're putting the body kit on, but we are going to have a special guest or guests join us in the shop today, and I'm not going to tell you who it is because it's going to be really cool. They're on their way here, and when they get here, we will turn the camera back on and I will show you guys. So I'm going to relax a little bit, maybe watch an episode of The Witcher. They're about an hour out, and then we will get started wide bodying this E46. With that, guys, we'll see you in a second, and you'll get to see who the secret persons are.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hey, well, if you guys haven't guessed it, the special guests that are going to be here today, what do you think, dude?
What is this?
So it's a CAE shifter. So it self-centers. So go to second gear, and see how it's, now push forward third gear.
That's just straight up.
Yeah. How crazy is that?
That's pretty fucking cool, dude. This is nice.
Yeah, so they make these for Subarus, BMWs. Yeah. Yeah. I had one in the Subaru. It was sick.
This is very nice.
Yeah.
You know how that happened?
Yeah.
Drifting.
Yeah. He probably, yeah.
Into a curve and it went up into the side.
So we're getting mocked up the rear. James is here helping out. Obviously Tim and Dut's taking a poop, I think. So, yeah. So we're going to get this mocked up. This should be pretty easy, huh?
Not that bad.
Yeah.
Drill holes, cut. A little bit of...
Feel better? Did you poop?
Who took a poop in that?
All right, after much deliberation, we found our drill bit size.
I told Ryan to film this, so you're welcome.
Nobody watches my vlogs anyways.
For all 50 people that watch this. Slow and steady.
Nah, just ram it in there.
What's up? I think it's the wrong spot.
It's fucking perfect. I mean, you could get a tape measure and it'd be perfectly centered. See, that's the difference in me and you. I've got 10 years on you, dude, so like, I'm just that good.
Fucking old and decrepit.
got all the holes drilled, the fenders. Now we're just gonna look.
Hopefully they line up, Ryan.
Hopefully they line up. That would suck if they didn't. Hold on, let me sit down.
Oh, this is a fancy Sharpie.
That's how we roll.
So right there, and then pretty much just get.
You go 100 feet farther than the guy. And then you just mash after one casualty of a finger, which I cut myself, Tim's over here hammering the inner liner. Yeah, guys, I cut myself. Look. Yeah, real smart, real good. Dad didn't warn me.
You know,
And
that's what happens when you take the guard off.
I actually cut myself on the fender, not the freaking wheel. So you guys don't think that I'm bad at grinding. But yeah, so we're almost done with this. We just have to cut slits on the inner fender, and then we're gonna basically push it up, and then we'll just throw some tack welds on it. Tim, the master tack welder, throw some tack welds, and then it's basically just getting the fender on. After that, we're gonna run some seam sealer and stuff too. But yeah, so cut myself. I figured I was gonna at least hurt myself once during this, so you know, I think I'm done hurting myself.
You got a whole other fender here.
Great. So we've got the rears cut. Tim is about to stitch weld this so we can cut it. And then the other side is cut. We just have to basically cut this seam off and then do the exact same thing we did on the other side. So we're looking pretty good. We're taking a little breather. Dutt's watching something. He's watching MLG because he can't stop and like Halo his life apparently. But yeah, we're trucking along. Once we get the rears done, it should be pretty straightforward on the front. So we're actually trucking along. Tim is taking a father-dad break at the moment, and yeah, so we'll keep jamming out with our clam out. His dad brought the 35. Dutt is he's gonna take Dutt for a ride. Look, he's excited, dude. All right, have fun. Make good choices, Dad. Make good choices. Rolling anti-lag. How was it?
You're good to go.
So cool. All right, you guys want to see two top secret fans? Right now my dad has the top secret catalog, and Dustin and my dad are both in here just geeking out over the top secret catalog. Look at these two. Oh my God. So excited. I'm gonna document this. He got up from his nap, decided to help out. What a nice guy. What a good friend.
Free work on Ryan's car like always.
Don't let anybody fool you. He's a nice guy. Nice guy. Except for the drill. The drill sucks. All right, guys. So we got the rear fender on.
Tim and I got the rear fender on.
Excuse me? No. Anyways, rear fender's on. We're gonna put the other rear one on right now. And then all we have left to do is cut the front and bolt the front fenders on, and then we're Gucci. So yeah, wish us luck, or sorry, wish them luck, because they're the ones doing all the work.
The only thing Ryan does is think about Korean barbecue.
Ooh, God, that does sound amazing.
Fucking guy.
Don't act like you don't want it.
I want the.
All right, so Tim's pretty good at what he does, guys, like actually really good. This is all one cut, okay? Look how clean this cut is. This is all one cut. He did not stop.
Well, I maneuvered, but...
No, but you didn't stop. This is insane. Like, that's a freaking great cut, guys. He's almost got this one done.
Well, that one is done.
I'm saying, like, we got to put the fender on, but he's got to cut this one, and we pretty much have a full wide body kit, huh?
Yep. And then you'll just need to do the bumper pieces, but...
That's cake. We can do that real quick.
Yeah.
Dude, guys, this is... I'll get you some shots once we get everything on, but man, oh.
It looks good, man.
God.
It looks really good. I can't
Tim's
wait.
the man. Tim is the man. He came all the way out here to help me do this.
I can't wait for you to get the wheels, tires, paint.
Everything, right?
Be done, and then...
Oh, yes, chef's kiss. All right, guys, next thing you see, we'll have the front fenders on and probably the bumper pieces, and we'll show you the whole car. All right, guys, Tim got both fronts cut. We're putting the rubber in. We are ready to bolt these bad boys on, aren't we?
Yep.
Tim!
Go on, put it on, man. You better get to work.
Shit, okay.
No.
Yes.
The hole is right there.
All right, whatever. Anyways.
Move it any differently.
Shut up! All right, so she is looking good. Look at this, guys. Ooh, hey, look who finally showed up.
What's up, guys?
Look at this. A wild Shane appears. Here, take this. It's dangerous if you go alone. Guys, this looks insane. What do you think?
I'm staring at my masterpiece.
Your masterpiece?
Ryan didn't do any of this. We did.
Last finishing touches on the front bumper piece, but she is all on. There's only one more thing we gotta do. I have to seam seal the rears, but for now, it's on. The kit is on. It looks unbelievable.
Sick.
It looks so dope. Like, it adds so much flair to the car. Oh, super cool, guys. Super duper cool. Oh, I'm so psyched. All right, guys. So obviously my face is dirty, so I did do something.
You just rubbed this.
I rubbed
fucking guy.
I rubbed some dirt on it.
This fucking guy.
So
He went in the wheel well and rubbed his hand.
Let's show them something.
okay, you guys ready?
I did a lot of work, and look how clean my face is. But he's got that dad complexion.
That's true. He does have that. All right, you guys want to see the front? Look at the front on this car. Oh my God. She's a wide boy now.
She's a wide boy.
It's 2021. Hey, whoa, it's 2021. Don't you judge. Don't you judge.
She's a wide boy, all right.
Don't you judge.
You would know about all those she boys.
I can't wait to cut that out. All right, guys, so we are done. The only thing that I have to do is actually do the seam sealer on the rear because we didn't do that, but that's literally the last thing we have to do. Car is done. At least the wide body kit's done. We're still waiting on the wing. We have to do the wing, obviously, but that's another time. So with that, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. And I definitely have to give a shout out to Tim and Dustin for helping me do this. I could not have done this without these guys. Thank you. Couldn't have done it without you guys, even though they did everything. And with that, guys, please remember to like and subscribe to the videos. Deuces. Later.